Hi everyone, in this video we'll have a look at one of the best Android security and auditing framework called as Drozer. So Drozer is one of the best comprehensive security audit and attack framework in Android. So by using Drozer, we can actually audit an Android application and we can figure out various security issues in that application. So Drozer is actually made by MWR Labs, and Drozer is available for Windows, Linux, Mac and Android. Now let's see how we can use Drozer in our system in order to find security issues in various applications.
Now let's see how we can use and install Drozer, that is one of the best Android security framework available out in the market. So you can see here that our CentOS VM operating system is up and running, and you can download Drozer from here from labs.mwrinfosecurity.com/tools/Drozer. And if you scroll down here, you will get the links of downloading the Drozer. So Drozer works on a client-server architecture where we install Drozer server on our Genymotion and we will install Drozer client in our CentOS operating system. So our CentOS VM operating system will act like a Drozer client. So any command which we will execute here on our Drozer client will get executed on our Genymotion, because our Genymotion will be act like a Drozer server. So you will see here that first of all we'll need a Drozer APK file which you can download it from here. Then our CentOS VM operating system contains Drozer by default. So if you are using any other system like Debian, Windows, so you can download client architecture of the Drozer from here. So I already have APK file of Drozer which is present on my desktop. So you can see here Drozer agent. So now let's go on my desktop and let's try to install Drozer inside our Genymotion by just writing here adb install Drozer agent. And you can see here that this is how Drozer looks like. So let me open it up. So this is actually a Drozer server, and you can see here that embedded server is actually present on port 31415. And let me turn on the server. Okay, so you can see here that our server is up and running on port 31415, and let me show you that where Drozer is actually present in CentOS operating system. So if you go here and on CentOS, and here is one tool categories called as reverse engineering, and here is our Drozer present. So let me open that up. So we can even run Drozer by just writing here Drozer on our shell. So now we have set it up our Drozer server and our Drozer client is ready. The first thing we have to do is we actually have to do port forwarding. So how we can do that? So just write down here adb forward TCP followed by the port number of Drozer, that is 31415 TCP 31415. And now what we have to do is we just have to simply write down Drozer console connect. And you will see here that right now we are inside the shell of Drozer. So this is how a Drozer looks like. So we have to wait for a time being till we just gets connected. Okay, so you can see that right now we are inside the shell of Drozer. So Drozer contains lots of modules which we can use in order to test various Android applications. So in order to find out the modules which are present inside Drozer, so just write down here ls and hit enter, and it will list out all the modules which are present inside Drozer. So you can see here a list of all the modules and their description, that what they do. So first of all, there is one module in Drozer called as app.package.list. So you can see here one module called as app.package.list. So what this module will do, this module will actually find out all the packages or all the applications which are present inside our Genymotion. So let's just run this module. So in order to run any module, all we have to do is we just have to write down run, then followed by the module name, that is app.package.list. And if I hit ls, you will see here that it has listed out all the applications which are actually present inside our Genymotion. You can see all the application list. So let me scroll down and let's try to explore some more modules. Okay, so you can see here that as I told you earlier that we can only debug the applications which are actually debugged in Java debugger. So here is one module called as app.package.debuggable. So we can run this module in order to find out the debuggable applications in our Genymotion so that we can debug that application in Java debugger. So let's run this module, that is app.package.debuggable. Let me hit enter and you will see here that right now only two applications which can be debuggable in Java debugger. So that applications are Diva and Drozer itself. So there is one more module that is called as attack surface. So that module attack surface can be used in order to find out that what kind of attacks we can perform on any application. But before that, what we need is we actually need the package name. So you can see here a package name of our div application, that is jaka.asim.diva. So let me open it up. So let me copy the package name and let's write down here run app.package.attack surface followed by the package name, that is jaka.asim.diva, and let me hit enter. And you will see here that three activities are exported, one content providers are exported, which means in this application there are three activities which we can target on, and there is one content provider which we can target. So by using attack surface, we can actually figure out that what are the different attack surfaces in that application where we can concentrate on that particular targets. So let's try to explore some more modules. So you can see here that there are different modules that are get MD5 checksum, get size of file. Even if you want to upload any file in that particular Genymotion or any Android system, then you can. So you can see here there is one module that is called as app.package.info. So this module will actually find out the package info of a particular package. Just for example, if we run this module, okay, so by default if we run this module will list out all the application packages and their information. So you can see here that it has listing that all the information. So if I take you up, you can see here all the package names. So the application is gallery, so you can see the process name, you can see the version, you can see the directory path, and you can see the permissions which that application wants from our user. So this is how we can find out all the applications information, a much more detailed information along with the permissions, their group ID, their user ID, their paths by that module. So this is how we can use Drozer. So in the previous videos, we have covered a lot of vulnerabilities and security issues like insecure logging, content providers, and then we have also looked at hard coding issues, access control issues. So you can exploit all that security issues by using Drozer also, and that's a homework for you. So that's all about this course. So in this video, we talked about that what is Drozer and how we can set up Drozer and use Drozer in order to find out various applications and their attack surfaces. So thanks for watching this video.